go, let's go. We're gonna be late. Bye, Scarfy. Bye, Scubs.
I'm gonna miss you, boys. We're leaving our cats, our baby boys, 2 baby boys, Scubs and Scarfy. If you haven't met them.
Over there.
No. My dad's coming to cat sit them. Their grandpa.
Yeah, we're running late. We gotta go to Pearson. We're leaving about like an hour and a half. We gotta go like right now. We got to go. Let's go.
I haven't adjusted my backpack. Ooh, it's hot. So finally, time has come. When you've been working every single day, OT, as a normal person, you just want to have a vacation. And today is the day.
Thank you.
Careful, huh?
Okay.
Trevor.
See you. Oh my god. Almost forgot my cell phone in Cherry's dad's car. All right, let's try this again. Let's go.
Made it to Costa Rica.
We made it. Anyways, we made it.
It's too loud because it's kind of late. It's
late.
11 o'clock at nighttime. Our flight was about 5 hours from Toronto, so it wasn't too long. It was a direct flight.
Oh, it seemed long.
No, and it cost us about $600 with Air Canada. So right now, some of my friends were actually looking into coming here at this time, like about 2 weeks ago, and the prices have gone so high, $1,000 just per person. The key is to book early. And the good thing about this hotel is it's only 20 minutes from the airport. So if you are coming in late on, especially if it's from Toronto, most of the flights that I've seen comes in late at night, like at 9 p.m., 10, and any delays, factor that in, and you're here at like 11 p.m. So this is only 20 minutes from the airport, so it's good.
Places are booking out fast, but we found this place for about $100 a night.
Yeah, $100 a night. It's a boutique hotel.
Yeah.
It's called Studio Hotel.
Studio Hotel, and it's actually pretty nice.
Yeah, very decent.
Yeah, very
It has a lot
nice.
of character. Like the lobby, it has a lot of statues and arts. Very, very artsy.
As long as it's clean, that's the main thing. Bed and the washroom, I think
The
those are the
bathroom is
most,
nice, yeah.
the main things.
It's clean. Oh my God, Trevor. Did you
Shower.
Did you do that?
Yeah, I feel that.
What
I'll pick it up after.
What? We just got here, man.
I'll pick it up, don't worry. Anyways, we are starving. We haven't even eaten, so we're actually gonna go out and see if there's anything to go eat.
McDonald's.
I don't know, Cherry's been seeing McDonald's like freaking every corner, and she would have stopped mentioning it. So.
It's the only restaurant that I see.
And we gotta sleep because we got a big day tomorrow.
We don't know if Powaz volcano is open.
Yeah, I don't know.
It's been closed because
Apparently there's rumors that the Powaz volcano is closed, but we're gonna actually call them tomorrow morning and find out. Because if that's the case, then we want to go there.
So if you guys want to find out, tune in. Good morning.
Good morning.
We're running a little late. We slept in a little bit, right? Woke up at 8:30. Anyway, bad news. Powaz volcano is still closed. I tried calling them and no one's picking up, and we tried online and they're still closed. So now we are going to Orosi Valley. It's apparently quite beautiful, a scenic drive. It's full of rolling hills and lush vegetation, so we're going to check that out. Yeah, did you like it?
Honey, what did you feed him?
A jerky.
Beef jerky?
Yeah, another one? Hey, this is an organic jerky.
Okay, let's go.
Wait.
We gotta go. We're gonna be late.
Wait.
We don't have time to feed the cat.
Oh yeah, I do. You don't, I do.
Look at this crazy cat lady. We gotta get going now. I don't want to run you over. Excuse me. Pit stop. Gonna get some Costa Rican coffee.
Okay, I should have really brushed up on my Spanish because this is terrible.
You got Google Translate.
I know. That's why I feel so bad. Like I don't.
They're struggling. She's
know.
making them struggle. She's making them struggle. How to say coffee.
Shut up! I know that. Hold on.
Guys, look at this view.
Quick review. What do you think about driving here in Costa Rica? Is it doable or not?
Yeah,
doable?
it's very doable. The roads aren't bad at all.
Right?
The only complaint I would say, the street signs are like, they're really small and like you can barely see like what the street names are until you get really close to it. So that's the only thing. Other than that, it's actually not bad at all.
Where are you going?
I don't know.
Made it to Orosi Valley, guys. So green and so lush. It's free. We didn't have to pay for anything, but you do need your passport or a picture of your passport if you are coming here.
It's very low key. There's only a few people
Yeah.
here.
For watching. That was our first vlog to our Costa Rica series. Tune in because we got lots more to come. And don't forget, subscribe to our channel to see more of our travel adventures. See you next time. Bye!